Hello, and welcome to Dashboard U, brought to you by Ross Video. My name is John Naylor. I'm the Marketing Product Manager for Dashboard. We're going to start simply by creating our very first custom panel. We do this by opening an existing panel. I'll show you how to do that. We'll also create a blank custom panel. We'll arrange them side by side in the user interface and then drag and drop some of the controls from our donor panel to our custom panel to create our very first custom panel. So I'm going to start by launching Dashboard, and I'm going to open an existing panel. Let's maximize this first. Okay, here I have, it's a custom panel that I captured from a master control MC1MK made by Ross Video. And I can open two of these panels here. It's got a configuration panel and it has an on-air control panel. And here they both are. And you can see that these are pretty complicated. If I tab through all of these controls, then we could easily get up to, say, 200, 300 controls. And that really is one of the reasons why you should consider making custom panels, because you can actually simplify a control interface to do just exactly what you or maybe your non-technical colleague needs to achieve a specific task. Now let's create a blank custom panel. We do this from the File menu. New custom panel file, and I'm going to choose one with a blank XML data source. Let's give it a name. And we're going to save it in the Dashboard U folder so we can finish. And here it is, just as I promised, it's totally blank. Now to use these in drag and drop mode, it's better if the receiving panel is on the left. And so I'm going to achieve that by dragging the donating panel or the donor panel to the right. And in this interface, you grab this tab here and drag it all the way over to the right. And now I've got my donor panel on the right and my receiving panel on the left. The next thing to do is to go into edit mode. So that's a Control-G shortcut on a PC. Do it on both of them. And on a Mac, you'd use Command-G. And you can see that the application here is highlighting that both of these panels are now in edit mode. They look quite different to how they are in normal operating mode. If I just mouse around, just hover my mouse over these controls, you can see that they highlight. And that shows what is going to be dragged and dropped. That shows which controls are going to be selected and used as donor controls. You can see that we can actually grab entire groups of controls like this. But for our purposes, we're just going to take one or two. I'm going to take the controls for one of the keyers here and take them into my receiving panel. So I drag and I drop. We have options to include the parameter name or keep elements together. For this example, I'm just going to leave those blank. Let's put the logo up. You can see we don't have to match the layout over here. We can customize it. Let's take the take button. Now let's drop out of edit mode by Control-G again. And you can see that these panels, this custom panel is now a subset of this one. And I can actually use either panel to change the state of, in this case, I'm hot punching a key on and off the program bus. If I wanted to put it into the transition, I'd use this key. So I'm putting it in and out of the transition. And there we have it, our first custom panel. All we need to do now is save it, and we're done. So what have we learned? Well, let's walk through it one more time. Launch Dashboard, open an existing panel, create a new custom panel, arrange them for editing in the user interface, drop into edit mode on both the donor and the custom panel, select some components to copy from one panel to the next, hit save, drop out of edit mode, and now we have controls in a custom panel that actually are the same as the controls in the donor panel. Thanks for watching this video from Dashboard U. Come back often to see what other videos we make, and remember that PanelBuilder is so simple to use that even the marketing guy can do it.